All right, WMC, this is a video to find the winner of our second mini helmet winner's choice. So we'll check the time, April 9th at 6:45 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We've got April 9th at 6:45 p.m. There is the list of our 10 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever is on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. And there is 7. All right, 7 times. Here we go. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Brett. Spot 3 is your winner. So, Brett, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp once again, April 9th, 6:46 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.